Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great today. I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about the dual apps in your device MI 11s, MI Note 11s. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. If you want to download the dual apps, you can say, or the clone app, like you want to download a second Instagram or a second Facebook in your device, you can do it by the way as I'm showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can download the clone apps in your device.